Good day, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So it's weekend, actually Sunday. So we're gonna go straight to our weekly analysis and see exactly what happened last week and what might happen the coming days or the coming week. So if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. You know what to do. So before we go on the analysis straight, since it's Sunday, because I know analyzing the charts every day, yes, is something that we should do, but we have to also try to check if maybe other things or other department of our trading it's doing okay. You see. So are you consistent in the market? When we say consistent, actually, maybe I think people, they don't really understand this. When we say you are consistent, it means you can able to go and apply the same take the similar trades and make profits consistently. Yes, along the way you might still have some losses, but once we check that in a month or two, yes, you are still profitable. That means you are consistent. If you can win more enough times than your losses. But what I want is, or maybe the best thing is, you are able to reapply the same method, the same procedure that you applied. You can able to repeat that, which means you really understand the structure. I mean, you really understand your strategy, your trading plan, all those things, if you can repeat them now and then. If not, please find something that can improve your consistency in the market, because winning sometimes is not really the bigger picture. You can win today and you lose the other day, or you lose more. You can win 2 days in a row, then you lose 7 times, or you just blow the account once. That is not consistent. Consistency is when you can really apply those type of trades more than once, and most of the time making profits. You see, I hope you get that. But my advice will be, get someone who's going to help you trade. Someone who's going to help you to improve your trading. If not, you can still check my trading. You can just WhatsApp me, Telegram me. We have that for $45 is monthly signals. $100 is actually yearly. Yes, we still have that 500 rands or $30 a 3 months mentorship. If you want that, if you want to be part of the team and start to learn so that you can be consistent, let me know. Let me know. So without wasting enough time, or before I continue, people, they ask me about the broker that I like to use. There is Xness. I hope you can see it here. It's Xness. There's a link below if you want to register that, because I think it's a very nice broker that you can trust. You see, I trust that. This is not actually sponsored by them. I just know that I've been using them for more than 2 years or 3 years, and I never had any problem. You see, sometimes, yes, we can have some problems, maybe with the servers and stuff like that, but it's not those major issues. Simple as that. So I'm trying to cover so many things at once so that you don't really get lost when you do this. So let's see. Yes, we are on Bitcoin. We are on Bitcoin. What's really happening? We saw that Bitcoin was trying to recover very nicely. Bitcoin was trying to recover very nicely, but very slow, by the way. As you can see the trend there, the trend is still seriously pushing down. You can see that the trend was pushing down. But if maybe just because the market is trying to push there towards 20K, already it's on 20K, I'm expecting maybe to see a very nice move, or to say people, they can start to say maybe they might think about buying when the market is moving away or breaking this resistance. Do you see this resistance? Do you see this resistance here? If the market pushes up like that or break that area, I'll be expecting to do something like this, something like that. You see, maybe the market will be starting to push the upside, but I know that the market won't just try maybe to move straight up. The market might still try to push like that. That's how the market moves. Most people, when they are in the trades, when the market tries to push lower, they get out, they get scared. But that's how the market moves. Look here what the market was doing. Sometimes, yes, you can find moves like that, but those moves, they don't really happen like every day. Every day move that we know is move like that. So if the market comes around that area, I'll be expecting the market to break this area, or maybe the market will respect this area and start to do what? To push to the lower side, which is something that we still looking at currently, as the market is still actually on that downtrend. Simple as that. Do you see that? So let's push to the next one. I hope you see that. If you are new to this channel, this thing's very nice. So if you are new to this channel, please smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. And I like the channel. It's very growing. The channel is growing because of you guys. And don't forget that weekdays, actually Monday to Friday, we go on our live sessions for NASDAQ and US30, stuff like that. So what's really happening now is, yes, we are on this downtrend on German 40 or DAX. So what's really happening is, I'm expecting the market to break this area. As I saw, the market is actually on aggressive. But currently, since the market did not break that, maybe the market will respect that. But it seems like the market is trying to get out of that, and we can start to see what? Some sort of bullish moves. And that is something that we are looking for. But for now, I think we just have to wait and see if maybe the market will respect that, but it doesn't seem like it's doing that. I'm expecting like early in the morning, the market will already broken this area. But anything is possible, guys. Everything is possible. I'm surprised. It's this, my mouse here is like it's dying, but I just changed the bed, or maybe just because it's cold. So let's push to the next one. What's the next one? It's actually gold. So what's really happening on gold is the market is doing what? The market is going down, and it's called what? It's called a downtrend. It's called a downtrend. And the market is being aggressive on that downtrend. So we have to push a little bit closer and try to see what's really happening. And once we see that here closer, we see that yes, this thing is still seriously on that downtrend. But it seems like the market is giving us something here, which we need to do what? We need to mark that as the market is showing us something, so that whatever that we're going to do is going to be around this area. If the market breaks that area, we can say yes. If it breaks that, we will do what? We will keep selling below this area, or maybe the market will start to push up, as maybe it's been selling for some time. And if maybe we need to buy, we have a resistance on top there, then we can say if it breaks that, we can say what? Yes, the market will start to buy above that area if the market breaks that. But don't forget that we are still on this downtrend, which means that there is still enough actually bearish momentum. There is still enough bearish momentum. You see, I hope you understand that. So let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one, which is US oil, by the way. Let's push to the next one, which is US oil. Let's see what's really happening. Yes, now we are on US oil. What's really happened on US oil? Yes, the market was like crazily, like seriously crazy on this bearish move. So I need to just remove that because it's been there for some time. So the market was actually around this area. You can see that we did smash the market by the way, and the market did push up again. So we need to change that very nicely and see actually what's really happening, so that we can have a better understanding or a better structure for the market. You see. So this is how you can draw your resistance nicely. You can see that. This is how you can draw your resistance line nicely. You can draw it and put it somewhere there on top of everything. Then after, you can take it slower, try to adjust it slowly. so that everything fits nicely. So that everything fits nicely. So when you draw something like that, I can say, okay, let me draw the second one. You know that I do double lines, which means that area is actually a zone, not only a one number, or sorry, one line. So this shows me nicely that, you know what, yes, we are on this nice downtrend, but along the way we have this different structures that I like to talk about. So let's see. I think maybe I took time to actually reach this area, but it's fine because we are here. You can see around this area, I think the market is creating something like that. Even around this area, the market will be creating something like that. Around that, the market is creating this type of moves. Do you see that? Maybe if you are not in the team, you can see that. But if you want to join the team, you know what to do. Let me know if you want to be part of the team. So let me try to draw that for you so that you can actually see what I'm trying to show you or what I'm trying to talk about here. So we can have something like this. We can have something like that. We can have something like that. So now we have these areas where the market is respecting. Now we have a bigger picture to say, okay, if the market is doing something like this, it means we might see something like that happening down here. Do you see that? We might have something like that happening down here. So that's what I'm expecting, which means, yes, we are still on this bearish move. I'm expecting the market maybe to give us something like this. After the breakout, I can say we can sell when the market breaks that support area. When I say support, I'm talking about this support. Do you see that? You see, so I'm expecting the market to do that. So, let me sorry, so let's continue. So what's really happening here is I'm expecting the market actually to come back again around this area and break this area. If it breaks that area, we will be ready to do what? To keep selling, But besides that, it means we'll be just relaxing and waiting and see what's actually happening. But beside that, you just need to relax. But I think the market is still on this very nice bearish move. Yes, what I see is the market is also on a very nice area to do what? To sell. We can have our sell pending order there, and we can do very nice there. And if the market keeps pushing lower, we can actually have something. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So, yeah, unless if maybe the market keeps pushing up and breaking this area, we'll say, oh, maybe the market is about to do what? It's about to buy, and there's nothing we can do. We just have to change. We just have to change and say, oh, maybe the market changed the direction. The market changed the direction. I hope you see how fast I'm making these things. I hope you see that. And if maybe you can't able to analyze very quick and able to get the trades very quickly, yes, you still need some sort of learning. And learning, guys, is as long as you invest in yourself, invest in yourself. So we are on US30, by the way. We are on US30. What's really happening is, yes, on Friday, by the way, let me remove that. On Friday, actually, we had some great move. The market went down, whatever, but the market was very, very close to our sort of resistance. You can see that, yes, the market was on this still, actually, on that downtrend, but actually the market was aggressively trying to break our resistance. The market is trying to break that resistance. Maybe you can say, okay, why not draw something like this? Yes, you can still do that. You can still use those two lines and say, you know what? If maybe the market breaks that area and pushes to the upside, it's when I can say we can buy. Or maybe if you are an aggressive trader, once you see a small candlestick breaking out of that, you can, but I prefer waiting for a candlestick to close above before I can say, yes, the market is actually going to push to the upside. But beside that, there is a chance, as the market actually decides, there is a chance for the market to respect this area and do what? Keep pushing lower. The best thing that you can do is to understand actually where the market is going. We can easily see that, yes, we are still on that down or bearish momentum, downtrend or bearish momentum, simple as that. So we're not going to get confused. As long as we start to see a breakout, yes, we're going to jump on that buy because the market might be trying to change the trend. Do you see that? I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So it means on Monday, actually tomorrow, we will see what's really happening. But another secret or another nice thing that you can follow, please don't try just to trade every time when before the market. Don't trade pre-market. Mostly the market will just consolidate. I hope you get that, and I hope you're going to use that. This thing's nice. Sunday, by the way. So yeah, let's push to the next one. So what's really happening on NASDAQ? NASDAQ, my favorite one. It's quite similar to whatever that is happening on US30. We can see that yes, the market was actually still on this bearish move, which is about to be broken, by the way, which shows that the market might actually break this area. Guys, if you maybe you still studying, if you know that you need a mentor, I'm giving you a nice choice there. You can see that $100 12 months, guys. That's really too much. 12 months is too much, and you also get the signals. You see, so mentorship plus signals, $100. Only $45 for monthly signals, and you can recover that within very few days. You see. But for those who want 3 months mentorship, which I did not actually add here, let me show you. Okay, something like this. That is $45, but now you can pay only $30 or 500 trends. And I said it's limited number, and people, they're still joining. So just book your space, so that maybe you just reserve your space so that you can join the team. As you know yourself, you've been losing, but you're still playing games. Do you still want to lose next year, this year, or whatever, until you give up? No, learn, go back with the right information. You see. So let's go back on NASDAQ. So as I told you, the market is on a very nice downtrend, on a very nice downtrend. I think this mouse has some issues. Let me unplug this. I think it's not actually working very nice. Let me see, but now it's better. So what you can see that yes, the market was on a downtrend. Was actually still on a downtrend, but the market is going towards our resistance aggressively. And if you can check there, we did even have a nice resistance going down here, going down nicely around these areas. And once the market broke out there, I think we had a trade there. I hope my people are in profit, by the way. If not, maybe they will be getting in profit maybe early tomorrow. But what I see here is once the market breaks this area, you can see that area. Once the market breaks this area, what I'm ready for, I'm actually ready for the market to change the direction, and maybe the market will be starting to do what? To push the upside, as now or as currently the market is actually on a downtrend. The market is actually currently on downtrend. So next week, maybe the market will be changing the trend, which means actually we might be starting to see some great stuff or good things, as it's something that we want. The market is actually oversold currently, but we can't just say let's buy without having a better structure. We have a very nice structure. So besides wasting your time, guys, you know what to do. Don't forget to smash that like, subscribe, so that you can not miss all these updates. During the week, we go on our YouTube live before the market open, actually NASDAQ open, and then we see what we can do. If maybe there is a nice opportunity, we take it. If there's nothing, we just relax. You see. So yeah, for those who want to join the team, they know what to do, guys. I hope you want to enjoy your Sunday. You can take my WhatsApp, try to WhatsApp me, Telegram me. If you want 3 months, it's actually $30 or 500 rands if you are in South Africa. So if you want some serious stuff, yearly mentorship, which is very cheap. If you do the calculations, you can see that is actually very cheap. So yeah, $100 for yearly, and even plus VIP signals. That's crazy. That's crazy. So yeah, just let me know if you want to be part of the team. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex Bar.